Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI Pad 2, and today I will be showing you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, external one at the end, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have volume buttons, so either top of the device or on a right side if you're looking at where the power button is or charging port is. So right here. Anyway, grabbing your little tool, you wanna put it in there, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. There we go. So, on the tray, you have space for just a single SD card. Place it like so, and then insert it back into your device. Now, this might happen where the card is kind of wedging in there, so I'm gonna have to pull it out so it automatically pops back into place. And there we go. Now it's in there. Automatically it gives you a pop-up that there is a SD card. Now the one that I entered is Samsung one, so it detects it, and there's nothing else you need to do. So that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.